In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make beautiful shadows UI design with Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma and scanning the canvas for the element you want to enhance. Select that layer or object directly. If it's inside a group or frame, make sure you are clicking the element that should cast the shadow, not the container around it. A precise selection ensures the plugin applies the effect exactly where you expect. Next, let's run the plugin. Press Ctrl-K to open the quick search. Type beautiful shadows and run it. If you prefer navigating through the interface, right-click on the canvas or on your selected element, go to Plugins, and choose Beautiful Shadows. Either method opens the same panel, so use whichever feels faster to you. When the plugin interface appears, you'll see a visual preview of your element with a draggable light source. Typically shown as a small dot, drag this light around to define where the light is coming from. As you move it, watch how the shadow shifts direction and adjusts in distance. Imagine the light coming from a consistent angle used across your project, like top left or top right, so your UI feels cohesive. A closer light often creates a sharper, shorter shadow. A farther light softens and extends it. Take a moment to nudge the light until the shape and intensity feel grounded and believable. You can further refine the look with the plugin settings. Distance controls how far the shadow falls. Strength influences how bold or subtle it appears. Adjust the shadow color to match your background and style on light backgrounds. A neutral cool gray often works well, while on darker surfaces, a slightly warmer, lighter tint can look natural. Keep saturation low for a professional result and rely on opacity for softness rather than extreme color shifts. If your design calls for it, switch between drop shadow and inner shadow. Drop shadow adds depth beneath an object. Great for cards and floating buttons. Inner shadow adds depth inside an object. Useful for pressed states or inset surfaces. Once the preview looks right, click Apply. The shadow is now part of your design, ready to reuse and stay consistent across your components. That's it. Thanks for watching.